So what you also may want to do is go ahead and add in a number field while you're working around with form. So to add in a field that only accepts numbers, you can go around over here onto the left hand side where you see add element, and then under basic elements you can see number right here. Simply go ahead and click right here and the number field is there. So you can go ahead and type in, let's say for example, something like phone number right here. And then you can go to properties right here and change it out as you like. Let's say I can go ahead onto the field label and change it out to phone number as well. If I were to go ahead and preview out this form, let's say for example, you can see that I simply have number right here. I cannot actually go ahead and type in any letters. Even if I type, it won't be typed out right here in the form. So there's a default validation for the number right there, just like this in the number field. So let me just go ahead and turn off the preview form right here, and I'm going to go around over here onto properties, and here you can go ahead and change the label to left, right, or top, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can set this as a form default, meaning if I were to go ahead and bring in a number field right here, you can see that I simply have the number field inserted. Let me just go ahead and remove this out right here, and then go around over here onto properties again for this field. I can set this as required, and I can even go ahead and add in a sublabel. For example, I'm going to go ahead and say, please enter your personal phone number. Let's say, for example, right here. You can be specific right here. And as with any other fields, you can go ahead and duplicate this out as well. But let me just go ahead and remove this out right here and then go back to this field. So if I were to go to option right here, you can change the width of this particular field. So right now it's 310 pixel, but I can go ahead and say, let's say 500 right here so that there's more writing area. You can go ahead and add in an entry limit right here. For example, you can say like minimum 2 and maximum, let's say for example, 10 entries right here, just like this. And in advanced, you can see the placeholder. So you can go ahead and type in, let's say for example, an example phone number right here. And in Hobbit text, you can go ahead and add in something like, please enter your phone number right here, just like this. Default value, you can go ahead and add in whatever you want, and then you'll be able to see that over here, which overrides the placeholder. You can set this field to read only if you don't want them to enter out anything. You can shrink this as with any other form fields and move this to the new line if what happens is that the spaces too much space is taken right here. You can hide this particular field if you don't want the form fillers or your audience to see it, but you still want the form here. And if you want to see the detail of the field right here in a coding level, you can go to the field detail and you can go ahead and change the unique name right here in a coding level right here, just like this as well. So this is how you can go ahead and work around with the form number field inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.